Stop. Before you buy the Xiaomi Cordless pressure washer, you need to hear this. At first glance, it looks like the perfect solution. No cables, no hose connection needed, just grab it, fill a bucket, and go. Sounds amazing, right? Here's the thing. It is convenient, like really convenient. It's lightweight, around 1.3 kilograms, and fully portable, so you can wash your car pretty much anywhere. But now let's talk about what most people don't realize. This thing isn't a full pressure washer, not even close. It runs at around 2.4 MPa, which is decent for light cleaning, but not enough for heavy dirt, concrete, or deep grime. So yeah, if you're expecting that strong blasting power, you might be disappointed. Now you might be wondering, what is it actually good for? Cars, bikes, outdoor furniture, quick rinses. That's where it shines. Battery-wise, you're getting a small 2000 milliamps pack, good enough for short sessions, but not for long cleaning jobs. So here's the verdict. Not a scam, not fake. It does exactly what it claims, but it's not a heavy-duty tool either. If you understand that going in, you'll probably like it.